ayan guys, we are here now at Armory. So ayan, may nag-fishing pala. Ayan guys, kakain kami dito sa Madam Social. First time namin kumain dito. So let's go inside. Husgahan natin kung ano yung kanilang pagkain dito. Social na social naman daw yung ano, yung pinaka ano dito. Looks like it's closed pa. So ayan guys, dito pala yung entrance sa kabila. So ang ganda, sa entrance pa lang guys, para ka nang naglalakad sa ano, kulang na lang carpet papasok sa kanilang restaurant. So ayan guys, tingnan niyo, ang ganda.
Well, we can put them on.
Oh wow, the place, it's so nice. Yeah, look at this place, it's so beautiful. And look at the table settings, and it's so nice. Yeah,
Alrighty.
the set up the table, it's nice. So we are here now at Madam Social, and that's the Madam Social. And look at the bar, so beautiful. So ayan guys, napakasarap ng drinks na to. Ito yung order namin na drinks, ay tawag nito mango tango. Ang sarap ng taste niya. At saka yung kanilang french fries, napakasarap din ng french fries nila guys. Lalo na yung sauce nila, yung dipping sauce nila ng french fries nila ay napakasarap din. So kumakain ka dito with the view na napakaganda at napakaganda ng whole restaurant ambiance ay napakaganda. So yung pagkain nila guys, ako sa akin personally, sa taste ko ay masarap. Masarap talaga. So talagang ano siya, yung kanilang serving, okay siya sa bayad, sa price, and then yung kanilang service, talagang napakaganda. Ayan, yung in-order namin. Chow mein.
Would it be the sauce is enough to mix that one? Should be, but I can ask for some more if we need it.
Yeah,
thank you. And then you just have to stir this one up together. And it depends how soft you really want it. So the more you stir, the softer it should get. Maybe I might ask for some more sauce though.
There's a nice smell coming on. What good it is.
So you just need to stir it with the dry noodles. Pero meron na kayo nakuha.
ayan yung tuna namin. Fish tuna.
The best.
Mananalo doon. Sino yung easiest?
Yeah, I'll put some more in here.
Peking duck?
Pancake.
Ay, pancake?
Ay, dito
Ayan
bagay
yung
kasi ang ganda ng
namin.
viewing na yun.
Ayan. And then this one is the pancake for the sitting duck. I'm not sure kung para saan yan. Basta yun. Lalagay mo yung
Kasi walang sauce.
kasi yung pagkain namin, wala tong rice. Tapos ano lang siya. Yung mga
Look, it's deconstructed. Deconstructed cheese.
Oh, there it goes. Got their face.
atcha. And then meron kami cheesecake.
Kaya pala siya deconstructed.
Ayan guys, tapos na kaming mag-lunch. Ayan, ang Tropa Troops. Tropa Pits. So, tingnan mo naman ang view. Ang ganda. Oh, saan kayo? Kala mo naman may appointment kami. Ayan yung Madam Social. Diyan kami nag-lunch. Oh. This is Akubiri.
Modelos. Beginning early.
Diba? So, ayan guys, dyan natatapos yung aming lunch ngayong araw na to. So, for sure, babalik po ako dito kasi masarap po talaga lahat ang food nila. Bye!